Let's create an AI finance tracker app using Python and machine learning. We import Flask for the web app, TF-IDF for converting text into numbers, Naive Bayes for classification, and a pipeline helper to combine everything into one ML workflow. This initializes the Flask application, so we can define API routes. This dataset teaches the AI how to classify expenses into categories like groceries, transport, entertainment, and housing. We split the dataset into input text, X, and labels, Y, so the model can learn properly. We create an AI pipeline that converts text into vectors and then uses Naive Bayes to classify the category. Then we train it on our dataset. This is a simple in-memory database that stores all added expenses during runtime. This route loads the homepage of the Expense Tracker UI. This API receives expense data, description, and amount from the frontend. The AI model analyzes the description and predicts which category the expense belongs to. We create a structured expense object containing ID, description, amount, and AI-generated category. We save the expense into memory and return it back to the front end as confirmation. This endpoint returns all stored expenses so the front end can display them. This starts the Flask development server in debug mode for testing. Now here is our index.html, where I have designed the all-user interface. If you want this code, then you can simply message me on our Discord server.